As soon as your inbox starts filling up, your support team structure becomes just as important as your setup. I'm Liz, and in this video, I'll show you how to onboard agents in Tidio, organize them into departments, and set up routing so the conversations reach the right people faster. This is part of our Getting Started with Tidio series, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to invite your team into Tidio, assign the right permissions per agent, create departments like sales, support, and marketing, and prepare your workspace for smoother daily collaboration. So let's head over to your Tidio panel. To manage your team in Tidio, go to Settings, and then scroll down and find Team. Inside, you'll see three main tabs: Agents, Departments, and Roles. This is the central place where admins can add teammates, organize them into groups, and control which each person can access. So let's start with onboarding. In the Agents tab, click Add an Agent. And in the pop-up, enter a new teammate's name, and then email address, and permission type or role. If departments are available in your plan, you can also assign the agent to departments here. Once added, Tidio sends them an activation email so the agent can log in and set up their own account. After signing in, they can update their personal details like their password or display name from their account settings. So as your team grows, this same Agents tab is also where you can edit a profile, deactivate an agent, remove them, or change their online status if you're the project owner and they're already logged in. Now, let's make sure everyone has the right level of access. So in Tidio, permissions are managed per agent. Let's head over to the Agents tab and click Edit Permissions next to an agent's name. And you'll see Tidio offers several preset roles here right out of the box, like owner, admin, moderator, and chat agent. And for example, chat agent is the most restricted role and is really designed for teammates who mainly reply to conversations. And then moderator has broader access, but still can't do certain admin level actions like managing agents. But if you need more control, you can customize permissions for each person and even save those settings as a reusable role here. And that's especially useful when you want consistent access levels for groups like support reps, sales agents, or team leads. Next, let's organize the team into departments. So departments help Tidio deliver conversations and tickets to the right specialists faster, so your agents don't waste time reassigning everything manually. Under the New Departments tab, click on Add New Department and give it a name, and assign the agents to it. One agent can belong to multiple departments, so a team lead or a hybrid rep can easily cover more than one queue. And you'll see that Tidio also includes a default general department, and this department can't be deleted, and if a conversation comes in without a specific department, it falls under general by default. So this gives you a safety net so no message gets lost. Once departments are created, the next step is routing conversations to the right department. And one of the easiest ways to do that is through the pre-chat survey. We're actually going to head over to your widget settings, and then under live chat, click on appearance under the context section. And this is where you're going to find pre-chat survey. The pre-chat survey lets you collect visitor information before the conversation starts. So if you click on add new, you can add a department field. This allows your visitors to choose who they want to contact before the conversation starts, so it routes to the correct team. After adding that field, click Set Routing Rules to decide which departments appear on the list and what names visitors will see. This is a simple way to present options like sales, support, or returns without confusing the customer. To make the team operationally faster, you can also enable automatic chat assignment. So within Settings, then Workflows, you can use the Assign Conversations Automatically template here. Tidio also offers options like round robin and load balancing, which help distribute chats more evenly and can reduce first response time. Finally, make sure each agent understands their online status. In Tidio, every agent controls their own status, and the widget becomes online when at least one agent is online. And you can find your agent status by clicking your avatar on the bottom left corner here and toggling the Show Online option. This is a small but very important part of onboarding for any support team. Your team is now onboarded into Tidio. They're organized and ready to work. You've added agents, set permissions, created departments, and prepared your routing structure so conversations reach the right people from day one. In the next video, we'll look at productivity tools your team can use every day inside Tidio to work faster and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and check the description for the Help Center guides used in this tutorial. Drop a comment on this video if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.